I was having a starting issue with my foxbody Mustang. It wouldn't start. I heard nothing, no clicking, nothing, no starter engaging. The solenoid, I didn't hear clicking. There can be a lot of issues when you have a starter problem or starting issue. It can be fuses, it could be a ground wire, it could be multiple things. So you got to break it down and figure out what your thing is. So, going here to the Mustang, and I'm going to show you what's going on with my foxbody. Well, I put the key in here, and I go to start it, and it might not do it this time, so we'll see. Okay, see, it came on. So I think it's going to work, and it's going to start this time. But I got two issues. No, it's not. You see, I turned the key, nothing. Nothing at all. But now it'll start after I do it a couple times. I didn't get a click or didn't get nothing when I was turning the key originally. So that tells me and then all of a sudden when I turn it the second or siphon it the second or third time, it wants to do what I want it to do. So that tells me that the starter solenoid over here is probably good, and but I kind of think I figured it out. I don't think it's the solenoid or the starter or any ground wire. I think this is my issue. My issue is my neutral safety switch. See? Nothing. Here it clicks. I think it's my neutral safety switch is bad, and you might have this same problem with your car, and it might be a head scratcher of a problem, and you might say, hey, what's the problem here? I got nothing. Well, what you might have to do is either eliminate the neutral safety switch, pull the one red wire with the plug out and put a fuse in it, or either just buy a $15 new one and put it in. Once you delete it or remove it and put that plug in, you'll be able to start without putting the clutch in. So hopefully this helps somebody out with a little issue of a starting issue, and I pretty much think I figured it out because I thought it was a battery at first, and I just replaced the battery and it really wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So it's working a little better now, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it and make it to where it's not delete the neutral safety switch. Well, thanks. Hope this helps somebody out.